Hey there, lifesavers! Today, we're going to tackle a crucial topic: how to help someone experiencing a heart attack. Stay calm, because knowledge is power, and your actions can make a life-saving difference. So, let's dive into this important information and become real-life superheroes. First, let's understand what happens during a heart attack. A heart attack occurs when blood flow to the heart is blocked, usually due to a blood clot. This can lead to severe chest pain, shortness of breath, and even loss of consciousness. Time is of the essence, so knowing what to do can make all the difference. Hello and welcome to the Ghetto Doctor YouTube channel. If you are new here, press the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon. Let's get started. Step 1. Call for help. If you witness someone having a heart attack, the first thing to do is call emergency services immediately. Dial your local emergency number and provide them with accurate information about the situation. Remember, professional help is on its way. Step 2. Perform CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. CPR can help maintain blood flow and oxygen supply to the heart and brain. If the person is unresponsive and not breathing normally, begin CPR by placing the heel of your hand in the center of your chest and interlacing your fingers. Push hard and fast, aiming for a rate of 120 compressions per minute. It's like giving their heart a jump start. Step 3. Use an AED. If available, use an automated external defibrillator AED as soon as possible. AEDs are portable devices that can deliver an electric shock to help restore the heart's normal rhythm. Follow the instructions provided with the AED and attach the pads to the person's chest as directed. It's like giving their heart a reboot. Step 4. Help the person into a comfortable position. If the person is responsive and breathing, help them into a semi-sitting or reclining position. This can help relieve pressure on the heart and make breathing easier. It's like giving them a supportive, relaxing chair for their recovery. Step 5. Offer aspirin if available. Aspirin can help reduce the clotting in the person's blood and improve blood flow. If they are conscious and able to swallow, offer them aspirin and encourage them to chew it slowly. It's like giving their heart a tiny superhero sidekick. Step 6. Encourage deep breathing. If the person is conscious and able to follow instructions, encourage them to take slow, deep breaths. This can help calm them down and ease any anxiety or panic they may be experiencing. It's like inviting tranquility into the chaos. Step 7. Share emergency contact information. If you're assisting someone having a heart attack, it's crucial to know their emergency contact information. If they are unable to communicate, having their next of kin's contact details can help medical professionals notify their loved ones quickly. Remember, folks, these steps are just a guide to help you respond in an emergency. It's crucial to receive proper training in CPR and first aid techniques. You can take classes offered by certified organizations or consult with medical professionals for more in-depth knowledge. It's all about today's video. See you soon in the next one. If you still have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to it. Goodbye.